Hey guys, what's going on? I've had my hair underneath a wig for over a month. I took it out, washed it, did a protein treatment, blah blah blah. But while I was doing it, since I have 4C hair, I decided I'm gonna do a review on the One Step hair dryer and styler. It's the paddle brush. I'm gonna see how well it works on 4C hair. So let's check it out, because this is great. I hope it is, at least, because I hate having to comb or having to go over because I don't like a lot of heat in my hair. So anyways, we're gonna do it and you'll see the results. Okay. Oh, and my products are already in there. I have my heat protection, all that good stuff. What? Do you see that? Oh yeah. Okay, this is gonna be good. This is gonna be good.
Again, it's an attempt to getting, food and someone to fat food at me. She attempted to.
Yup. Alright, I'm just about to leave that alone. I'm on my last piece. Also, guys, the high on this, the high setting, it is hot as hell. So I've been doing it on the low setting, which still works for my hair. I love it. This will do, and I'm gonna go ahead and get the process of getting my braids done. So yes, I love it. I would recommend this to anyone with 4C hair. This is definitely it. It cuts back time on how much you're in your hair. Didn't take out a lot of my hair because I didn't have to keep going over it like I would with just my brush and a comb. It's Revlon. Got it from I got it for Christmas / my birthday, because my birthday is 3 days after Christmas. And it came from Ulta, so this is definitely a product to try. There you go. All right, thanks guys. Until next time, definitely a go on the paddle blow dryer.